Hey friends, it's great to see you today. I love hairstyles that use rope braids. Some people call them a twist. These hairstyles are easy. They only require 2 pieces of hair and they're just really soft and flattering looking. Today I'm going to do a rope braid in a lace braid fashion. So we're going to add hair to it as we go. One on this side, another one on this side, and they'll come together in a 3-strand braid at the back. So to start off, take my hair down. And right now my hair is currently around hip length, which I have heard some people refer to as classic length. It used to be ankle length. It was floor length for a while, and I kept it that long until after baby number 2. And then I said, you know what? I think I would like to have the option of wearing my hair down more often, plus not have to take quite so much time taking care of it. So I have a little section from the front. You can see right there. I'm going to split it in two, and then the outmost side is going to twist, and now it's on the inside. And now I'm going to add a little hair to the side closest to my face, so that's the outmost section, and it's going to twist up and over. Now they've traded places again, so this section closest to the outside, I'm going to add a little bit of hair, twist it around. Just twisting one around the other. Yesterday, we took our little girls to the pet store. They love to go in there and see all the different kinds of animals, and the worker actually took a ferret out of the cage, and they got to pet a ferret, which they thought was amazing. And then I saw something I have never seen before. I didn't even know they existed. Here I am at the last part. I'm just going to take a little bit, add it to this outmost section, twist, and now we're going to twist all the way down. But yes, I saw an animal that I had never seen before. I didn't even know there was such a thing. A hairless guinea pig. It looked like this little pig. It was adorable. It was like well, actually, it almost looked like a hippo. And then I looked it up online, and sure enough, other people have the same thought. My birthday is next week, and I was tempted. I was really tempted, but then I thought, oh, no. But I did take a picture. I'll insert it here so you can see it. Okay, now normally I would just hold this in my mouth, but since I'm talking, I'm going to clip it to my shirt. And now we're going to start on this side. I just take a section of hair from the top, split it in two, and now we're going to take the outmost section, wrap it up and around. Add a little bit of hair, and the outmost section, up and around. But yes, a hairless guinea pig. It was absolutely adorable. When I was a little girl, my family and I lived in Hawaii, and we couldn't have dogs because we rented. And I got a guinea pig. I think I was about 7. I loved that little animal. I named her Scamperina because when I was bringing her home in a box from the pet store, she was scampering around. And I just thought, ballerina and then scamper, and I put the two together, and she was Scamperina. She was kind of a long-haired guinea pig, and I'll insert a picture here so you can see. That's me and little Scamperina. But I would put a little bow in her hair. And I'm going to twist all the way down. Finish that side. Twist all the way down. And now we just make a 3-strand braid in the back. Okay, so we have this side. I'll I'll unclip this one. So our hair here that's not in the braid is going to be the center strand. I'm going to bring this first one over and then this one over, and we will make a 3-strand braid all the way down. I like to kind of keep my head tilted up when I'm braiding like this, just so that it falls nicely. Here we go. And we're almost done. You can see it doesn't take very long at all to fix your hair this way. And it just is a nice look. I remember I've heard it called a princess braid when you have a braid on one side and a braid on the other side. There we go. It's easy to do on yourself, or you could do it on your daughter if you have a little girl. It's just an all-around fun, pretty hairstyle. Great for special occasions or every day. You could leave the braid long, or you could wrap it up into a braided bun, which is always pretty. I think today I'm just going to leave it down. So I'm going to tug on the edges of my braid just to make it look a little bit fuller. Let's see. There we go. There we go. That was super easy, super simple, and I think really pretty. I'm going to turn around so you can get a good look at every angle. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, let me know, and if you try it, for sure let me know. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you again in our next video. Bye!